Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. First of all, I would like to thank the organizer for this event. I'm Maha Rioui, pursuing my PhD in Mohammadia School of Engineer. I'm here today to present my research on the harvesting and numerical modeling of the ocean wave energy resource. This presentation is structured as follows: an introduction about ocean energy. Next, I'll recognize the wave energy converters technologies. After that, I'll be looking at the modeling of the oscillating water column device and the air turbine. Next, numerical simulations, and finally, in conclusion. Ocean energy are a vastly unused energy resource, and there is considerable potential to harness energy from waves. However, there are five main types like tidal energy, wave energy, ocean current, ocean thermal energy, and finally osmotic energy. Morocco has a strategic geographical position, so the country located at the crossroad between Africa and Europe. It has an average offshore wave energy in the Atlantic about of 13 kilowatts per meter. Well, to extract the energy from wave, we have three main waves energy converter systems classified as oscillating water columns and oscillating bodies, and finally overtopping device. As I mentioned earlier, to get energy from wave, we use one of the wave energy converters technology as oscillation water column device. The system belongs the most commonly used worldwide. As a show, there are two phases to the wave to wire transformations, the pneumatic one and the generator. This device consists of a boron fixed structure. The higher part, which form and the air chamber with a rectangular cross section. The submerged part of the chamber is opened to the action of the seawater. Hence, the reciprocating flow of air displayed by the inner free surface movement ultimately drives bidirectional airflow turbine. Well, to modeling of the oscillating water column device, we used a method of velocity potential. This method could use to examine the relationship between the water and the structure. This is known as the Laplace equation. The numerical wave tanks are a crucial computational tool in wave energy converter research and development because they provide a low-cost test performance for wave energy converter system. It's governed by a collection of nonlinear potential differential equations as a Navier-Stokes. For wave generation method, as I shown, there are a variety of ways to create wave. The master, static, boundary, impulse method, and dynamic boundary can all be used to generate waves. For wave absorption, this can eliminate reflection and dissipate wave using numerical pitch. Well, the air turbine used in most oscillating water column system for wave energy converter. It's classified by two types. The well turbine. This type is composite of symmetric airfoil-shaped blades arranged across a central hub and rotate in one direction regardless of airflow direction. The second type is impulse turbine. Well, the direction of airflow through it is known as axial or radial. With the guide vane on both sides of the rotor, an impulse turbine can be converted to a bidirectional flow turbine. It's also known as a self-rectifying turbine. The orifice model is the most widely applied type of flow. An orifice has a smaller opening than the diameter of the pipe. Since the area is smaller, the fluid velocity rises, resulting in a reduction in pressure. For the porous media, the bend attributed to its prevalence can be controlled by a linear pressure drop rules in the case of the power takeoff system. And that's explained by the fact that such a well turbine is nearly linear. To optimize the geometry of oscillating water column device, some commercial like Fluent, CFX Star, CMC Plus, are among the most vastly used commercial safety software required to configure numerical wave tanks. The ocean wave contain large amount of untapped energy. For converting this power into electrical power, many methods and techniques have been selected for transforming this power into electrical power. If the price of wave-generated energy is competitive with other renewable energy source, performance will maximize. Thank you for your attention.